Hey guys, welcome to my channel Linux King. My name is Salman Francis, and in today's video we will take a look at how we can compress the image. If you're following along, you can remember from my last video that we created a container from the image and then an image from the container and committed the changes, saved everything, and we still have our container running. Docker PS, you can see that if you remember we created SF1 container from our last video, and what I'm going to do today is I am going to compress this container. So in order to do that, let's check our image first. And here we can see that the size of our image is 435 megabytes. So okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to compress the image with the command docker save -o and the name with which I want to save .tar and the image name, which is Salman_Francis. And we have already seen that the image size was 435 megabytes. If you remember Docker images, here you can see. And now if I ls, you can see that a tar has been created, but it's not compressed yet. du-sh will reveal that it's 427 megabytes. However, we need to compress it. So in order to compress it, we can use the gzip command, gzip and the tar. So let's do that. And after a couple of minutes, it will show you that it has compressed the image. Okay, so ls dash or du-sh, perfect. You can see that it's 167 megabytes now. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I am going to stop the container. I'm going to delete it. And we can see that there is no such container as SF1 anymore. And I'm also going to delete the image. So Docker images will reveal we have Salman Francis as image. I'm going to delete it. So in order to delete it, RMI. Okay, it has been deleted. So if this time if I use Docker images, it's showing that we don't have Salman Francis. But luckily, we do have this GZ or tar image. So the thing is, like, you can use this or copy this image somewhere on the save drive or somewhere else. You can save it. You can push it to Docker Hub, which we will see in our next video. And then you can always bring back the image from this zipped file and create containers out of it. So let's do that. So what I'm going to do is I am going to bring back my lost image from this zipped file. So in order to do that, I can do it directly with docker load -i, and I stands for from where I want to load this image from, and this is the command. And you can see it has loaded the image. And let's check Docker images. Perfect. We have our image back. Okay, and now let's create a container out of it. So to do that, we will use docker run IT, let's call it SF2 from Salmon underscore Francis, and I want bin bash. Perfect. Do we have PHP? And yes, we do have. HTTPD? Yes, we have. PSAUX. Perfect. So now you can see we were successful in deleting or compressing the image, zipping it, compressing it, and then deleting the original image, then untarring the image and using this image to create the container. So this is the end of compression video. In our next video, I will show you how you can push this image, this saved image. Let me go back. This image to push to Docker Hub. Up till then, goodbye, and please do subscribe to my channel, and God bless.